Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review the Derma 2% Alpha Arbutin Face Serum. 30 ml, 499 rupees is the price. Available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon and on the Derma website. Sometimes the buy one get one sale is there on the Derma website. So if you wanted to buy in the offers, then check their website. This is non-sponsored video. Product is made in India. Let's see the features. Reduces dark spots and blemishes, promotes radiant skin. It helps to brighten, fades acne scars, treats melasma, controls melanin production. How to use? Apply 2 to 3 drops of serum on entire face and um, I personally avoid eye area and upper lip area because that is sensitive. Massage gently until the serum gets absorbed. Next day apply sunscreen. Here is the review. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. I'm using this serum from a month and now giving the review. I started to use this serum in a winter season. This serum didn't give any kind of irritation like redness or itchiness. Suits to my skin. No problem faced. Quality feels so good. But I didn't observe much difference in fading the dark spots. There were no change. I will give my opinion on this serum whether it really worked reduce my dark spots or not after exhausting it completely. I will try to share remaining review in the comment section. You can leave the question there so I will remember to share the remaining review. I hope this should be helpful and should fade the dark spots which I have on my face. You can also share your review if you have tried. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.